Hey everybody, David at DeFranco Painting. We're here at Dell Webb Huntley. So this customer found us through the Dell Webb magazine and through Google local service ads. Did a Google search and found us, and they had a drywall issue where mice got into got in a hole through siding and started making nests. They had an exterminator come out, get rid of mice, but they had to replace drywall insulation, which they did, but they're having us come in and fix the drywall, and then they're gonna paint. So great way we can help them get their house back in order, get some drywall up, making it look great. Let's go take a peek at how it looks, and we'll show you what we're doing. Okay, so here's one area we are fixing, so you can see from the top. It's a 9-foot ceiling down. So this one was a piece that they took out. Insulation had to come out, drywall had to come out because mice actually got in between the walls, so they're fixing it. So they just kind of didn't want to wait any longer, so they just wanted to get this done. They're gonna paint the walls themselves. So we are gonna take this piece out. It bulged, you can kind of see, it kind of bulged from the wall a little bit. So we're gonna take this piece off, replace it, and then mud this whole piece, prime it, that way they can get paint on here. And we'll take a look at the other spot. Yeah. All right, this is number 2, so just again, 2 small holes that we're gonna fix and remud this, prime it, and then it'll be all ready for paint. So that's how we were helping out here in Huntley today. If you got questions, give us a call, let us know. Love to see how we can help you with drywall, painting, wallpaper, cabinet refinishing. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.